Hey everyone, welcome back to Diary of a Diamond Painter. In today's video, this is going to be the second one in our Diamond Painting for Beginners installment, where I explain to you the basics of diamond painting. Today's episode, we're going to talk about all the different types of drills and finishes, and what they look like, what their purpose is, and some neat little things. So let's get into it. The first type of drill we're going to talk about is round drills. These are circular, a little easier for beginners. They place smoothly, have a softer sparkle, and it's okay if they're not perfectly aligned. Your finished piece is still going to look great. Next up is square drills. These have flat edges and click together like tiles. They give a sharper, more detailed look. They're perfect for just about any image, but they do require a little bit more patience to get lined up. They don't usually have spaces between them, and unlike rounds, you usually can't see the canvas underneath. Square drills are an acquired taste. Some people love them, some people hate them. I don't prefer square drills, but I will do a square drill canvas every now and then. They do tend to be a little bit more difficult for beginners, in my opinion, because they're very, very frustrating to get lined up correctly. But if you want to give it a shot and find out which shape you prefer, buy both if you have the money. Now, round and square drills are shapes. They are the two shapes that drills come in. Next, we're going to talk about finishes and the different looks of the diamonds. So next up, AB drills. AB stands for Aurora Borealis, named after the northern lights. These drills have a special iridescent coating on them that make them shinier and shimmer and extra bright. You'll usually find them used for like highlights or stars, jewelry, or magical effects. And these are ABs. ABs are very, very beautiful. And they have just that iridescent finish on them. So the next drill we're going to talk about is known by a couple of names. And this is technically a finish, but it's also a drill type. And they are known as fairy dust drills, pixie dust drills, or sunshine drills, depending on which company you get them from. These drills come in mainly square. I'm sure there's rounds out there, but I mainly see them in square. And they're resin with a shimmering pearlescent finish created by embedding mica powder into the top. Unlike other glitter or AB drills, these provide a softer, more ethereal glow that can lighten the drill's base color. They give a magical, dreamy effect, plus they're super sparkly. We love sparkle. Now, another drill type, and I'll have to put a picture up of these. Another drill type I want to talk about, though, is some diamond paintings have special shapes, like stars, teardrops, pearls. You usually see these in like partial canvases or decorative kits like bookmarks and things like that. But drills can come in different shapes other than round and square, although rare. Me personally, my favorites are ABs and fairy dust drills. They just add depth and even more sparkle to your finished piece. So now you know all about drills and the different shapes and styles they come in. Next episode, we're going to talk about canvas types and what to look for and how to choose the right one for your first project. If you like this video, don't forget to drop a comment down below of your favorite type of drill. And hit that like button and tap subscribe so you don't miss my next episode. Until next time, catch you all later.